If debt is keeping you up at night, you're not alone. Credit cards, student loans, car notes, it adds up fast. But what if I told you there's a way out, starting today? Welcome back to the channel where we talk about making smart money moves for your future. Today, we're diving into how to attack and reduce debt, especially if you feel overwhelmed or have no idea where to start. You're not lazy. You're not irresponsible. You just need a plan. Step 1. Face the numbers. Know what you owe. The first step is to stop avoiding the debt and look at it head-on. It's time to face the numbers. Here's how. Open a notebook, spreadsheet, or use a free app like undebt.it or Mint. Write down every debt you have, including the lender or creditor's name, the total balance owed, the minimum monthly payment, the interest rate, the due date. Seeing the full picture takes away the mystery. Once you know exactly what you owe, you can start making a realistic plan. Step 2. Pick a strategy, Avalanche versus Snowball. There are two powerful strategies to pay off debt: the Avalanche method and the Snowball method. Pick the one that fits your personality and lifestyle best. The Avalanche method. List your debts from highest interest rate to lowest. Pay minimums on everything. Throw any extra money at the highest interest debt first. This is best for saving the most money over time. The Snowball method. List your debts from smallest balance to largest. Pay minimums on all debts. Use any extra cash to pay off the smallest balance first. This is best for building motivation and momentum. As a tip, if you need small wins to stay motivated, go Snowball. If you're focused on maximizing savings, choose Avalanche. Step 3. Create a bare-bones budget. This is temporary, but it's essential. You need to free up cash so you can throw it at your debt. Here's how. Write down your monthly take-home income. List out every monthly expense: rent or mortgage, utilities, food and groceries, transportation, subscriptions and entertainment, minimum debt payments. Identify all non-essentials you can cut or reduce. Cancel or pause subscriptions. Cook at home instead of dining out. Shop less or avoid impulse buys. Look at your budget and ask yourself, is this helping me get out of debt or keeping me stuck? Step 4. Automate your payments. Consistency is key, and automation helps remove temptation and forgetfulness. Here's how. Set up automatic minimum payments for all debts through your bank or lender's portal. Schedule extra payments for the debt you're targeting each month. Choose a payment date shortly after you receive your paycheck. This helps avoid late fees and ensures you're always moving forward, even on autopilot. Step 5. Boost your income. Even slightly. Cutting expenses helps, but increasing income changes the game. Even an extra $100 a week can create serious momentum. Here's how. Sell unused items on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Mercari. Try gig work like Instacart, DoorDash, Rover, or Fiverr. Offer services like babysitting, cleaning, or tutoring. Ask for a raise or seek a promotion at your current job. Consider weekend or remote part-time work. Use every extra dollar as a weapon against your debt. Don't upgrade your lifestyle, upgrade your freedom. Step 6. Stop adding more debt. This is where many people get stuck. You can't get out of debt if you're still creating it. Here's how. Freeze your credit cards, literally or digitally. Remove saved cards from online stores. Create a cash envelope system for groceries, gas, and fun money. Pause big purchases and buy now, pay later apps. Set a rule. No new debt unless it's an emergency. Debt freedom is built on discipline. The goal is progress, not perfection. Step 7. Celebrate small wins. Every payment is a victory. Every dollar is a step closer. Reward yourself in healthy ways. Here's how. Track progress on a debt thermometer or coloring sheet. Set mini goals. For example, when I pay off my smallest card, I'll treat myself to a $5 coffee. Share your progress with a trusted friend or accountability partner. Celebrating progress fuels motivation. It reminds you that this is working, even if it's slow. In conclusion, getting out of debt isn't just about numbers. It's about peace of mind. It's about having choices. And it's about building the life you deserve. You don't have to do everything at once. Just take one step today, then take another tomorrow. The freedom is worth it.